Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can put up your Instagram Reels on your Snapchat story, so let's get right into it. Now, there currently isn't any direct way to post on Instagram and at the same time post on Snapchat. You're going to do those two separately, and I'll be explaining to you guys how you can do that. Now, I don't have Snapchat myself, so I can't really access it. However, I will be telling you and show you guys the Instagram side of things, and then you could probably figure out how to post it on Snapchat yourself. Now, the things you're going to need to do first is, if you're watching another reel, you might be able to download it, or a reel by another account. You can just watch the reel in the full reel view, click on the three dots in the bottom right, and if you don't see a download button, then it's simply not available. You can't download it, so you are gonna need to screen record this reel somehow. Once you've screen recorded it, then you can post it on your Snapchat very easily. But if you're working with your own reels, what you need to do is go to your account, go into your reels, locate the reel you want to save. So for example, let's say this one. Then you go into the bottom right, click the three dots, click on manage, and as you can see, you have the download button right above the red archive button. Once you do this, then it'll be saved to your gallery, and then you can go ahead and post it on your Snapchat story. Now, I did also see some solutions about linking your Snapchat on your Instagram post or Instagram story or Instagram reel, or doing it vice versa. I'm not really sure how that would work, so I'm not going to go into too much detail about it. Just keep an eye out, since that might be a solution in this case. But other than that, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.